Hey, I'm Alex from Marc's Mobility. In this video, we're going to show you one of the lightest weight folding power chairs currently on the market today, so stay tuned. What we have here is the new version of the Phoenix by ComfyGo. This unit is a 29-pound folding power chair that is going to come with dual batteries. You are going to have a 286-pound weight capacity. And then with that, you're going to have two different battery options. You're going to get up to a 15-mile range or up to a 25-mile range. But how they design the batteries, no matter which size you go with, they're both going to be airline approved. Cruise ships, trains, planes, all the different transportations that are going to have limitations on lithium batteries, these are going to be approved no matter what battery size you go with. Really cool design they did on here as well is on the batteries. They do come out from the side. The battery compartment slides out. The battery is easy to remove and then clicks back in place. You actually have a switch on either side. So the batteries, the total distance, each battery is going to be half of that. Cool part about that is you are going to know, hey, my one battery's dead. I've gone a certain distance. Let me flip the switch. I'm able to get back home because I know the other battery is going to have the same distance that my first battery got me. So that's going to be a really cool design. On the batteries itself, it's actually going to have a battery gauge reading on percentage, and you're actually able to charge the batteries outside of the unit as well. Now, I'm not sure based on that switch, if you charge it through the joystick, if you have to flip the switch to either side. Obviously, you can charge each one individually, but we'll do some testing as well to see if it charges both directly through the chair or if you have to flip the switch from one battery to the other. Now, it does come with different color option upgrades as well. There are a bunch of different colors. Currently on here, this is the coffee color here as well, but if you look down on the website, you will see the different color options that are currently available on the market. Things do change on this chair as well. Currently, right now, this is coming with 10-inch air tires in the back and 6-inch solid tires in the front. Reason I say that is things do change over time, so do always check with us if they still have air tires or if they change to any type of perforated solid tire. But how they're coming right now at the end of 2024 is going to be air tires. Now, this unit is great due to the 4-mile range. It is going to also come with a wireless remote that you're going to be able to drive the chair and actually be a caretaker. You can stand and talk next to your loved one. Yes, you can walk behind it, or if you're somebody that has any type of issue with holding out your arm to the joystick, you can hold this in the lap and drive this directly through the wireless remote here as well. Now, this does not turn the chair on from the remote, so you cannot go park it and then call it back to yourself. Chair does have to be on for this remote to turn on as well. Now, I'm going to show you what really makes this unit great, not just with the overall weight of the unit, but also how it folds. So if you are going to have the upgraded cushion on there, you do want to remove the bottom cushion when you fold the unit. Both foot plates, you do want to flip them up and out of the way. And then from here, you're going to have two handles like you would almost on a manual chair. Once it begins to fold, now you're in this position. We did the measurements earlier. It was 32.5 inches to the top of the joystick. It was 13 inches in overall width. If you take your foot plates off, you're able to get it down to about 28 inches. With your foot plates on, it's about 37 inches in length. So this is also cool. These also flip down. So now you're going to be at the 32.5 inches. You are going to be higher if you keep these rear handles up. Then to unfold it, you're going to snap your handles back up, and then you're just going to push the chair apart, and then you're going to re-Velcro your cushion back on, and then put your foot plates back down. So the joystick can go on the right or the left-hand side, and I do believe this is going to be an awesome chair. I'm going to go outside. I'm going to do a driving demonstration so I can hear the motors. I can kind of feel the power on the unit. They did make this unit wider at 20 inches in between the armrests due to increasing the weight from 240 to 285. So I really do believe this is going to sell quite a few of these on the market due to the size of the unit and also how it folds and the weight capacity. So if you would go ahead and follow me outside, I'm going to sit in it and kind of see what I feel like sitting and driving this chair. What we have here is the new version of the Phoenix by ComfyGo. This is a 29-pound folding power chair. It is upgradable with different size batteries, but both batteries are going to be fully airline approved. Once again, it's 20 inches in between the armrests. You can see I'm 6 foot tall, about 210 pounds, and I fit very comfortably in this unit. It is a very quiet, a very smooth unit, and is going to have that 15 or up to 25-mile range depending on which batteries you go with. So if you're looking for a folding type power chair that's going to be one of the lightest weight ones on the market, go ahead and look at the description below or give us a call.